So now we're making a Szechuan sauce we'll be using for the noodle. So I'm using dry chili, whole chili, in the hot oil. And now adding chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon. Now adding chili flakes, let's say around half of a teaspoon. So now add ketchup, ketchup is around 4 tablespoons. You can follow this same method if you want to make a Szechuan chili chicken. This is like an Indo-Chinese recipe. What I saw in Delhi time in working different parts of it. So it has that nice kick of Indianness. I'm adding some stock powder. So most of the Chinese, there is glutamate, that is MSG, but that's banned. It's not good for your health. But the stock cubes already have some amount of glutamate, so that will enhance the taste. So that's why I keep adding the stock powders in most of the dishes. Now I'm adding soy sauce, light soy, around 3 tablespoons. Now mix it. Check the seasoning, and we can leave it on the side. This is the Szechuan sauce. So now to finish off the Szechuan noodle, very hot kadai or the wok you can use, oil around 3 tablespoons. I'm adding all the vegetables now. Onion, carrot, cabbage. So once the vegetable is cooked, I just remove, then keep it on the side, and then we will finish with the egg and noodle, everything together. Because this way the vegetable will be nice crunchy, the egg will be nice cooked, flavored. So now the egg is beaten nicely, 3 small eggs. Let it scramble. So once the egg is done, put the vegetable back. Once it's mixed, the vegetable and egg, now I'm adding back the Szechuan sauce we made before. Mix everything together in a high flame. And now if you need more spiciness, you can add a bit more crushed pepper. Salt if you need, you can add now. So now I'm adding in the noodle, which is already boiled. You can just follow what it says in your packet, and once it's blanched, put it in cold water, drained, and then mix it with oil so it doesn't stick, it has a shine natural. Now mix everything. So once it's mixed, now to finish it off, add sliced spring onions, mix it nicely, and now we can present it. So this is a spicy Szechuan noodle. This is with egg. You can add chicken, or you can add seafood, you can add prawns to it. Will be an amazing combination. So the sauce you can make and keep it, and then finish whenever you want it, for the restaurants or even for the home cooking. So enjoy.